Hey, it's Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today I'm going to show you how to caulk your bathtub. Not a lot to this. I have some white caulk. There also comes in clear. I want white. I don't know, clear has its place. I feel like it's not along the edges of the bathtub, but that's just me. I've got my caulk gun, and I also have a Procaulk kit. I'll link it. I don't know if this is absolutely necessary really, but it's supposed to help. So let's get started. Oh, one more thing. This is a new bathtub, so I didn't actually have to remove any old caulk. So just keep that in mind. If you have an older bathtub, you have to remove the old stuff and then put the new stuff in. In our case, we're working with a brand new tub that needs caulking, but if you have an older tub and you have old caulk, you need to remove that first before applying new caulk. And if you have any mold inside the gaps, make sure to clean that out before you caulk over the gaps. This tool right here helps remove some of the old caulk easily. Clean up any debris or dust or anything around the edge of your tub because you don't want caulk getting stuck in, or that getting stuck inside your caulk. Before starting, make sure to fill up your tub. So one of the most important things to make sure you get right is that these tips need to be cut at an angle. There's usually a line drawn on there so you can see what to do. Always cut the smaller one if you're not sure how big to do it, because you can always cut more off, but you can't put back on. So many caulk guns come with a little cutter that you pop it in there. Again, just make sure it's at an angle so you've got an angled tip. Let's see if you can see this. Okay, so there's my tip. I've already cut it. 2, this is something I forget, and it's silly, but there's a piece of foil on the inside. And if you just pop this in here and start squeezing, it's actually gonna break it somewhere, most likely if you go crazy like I do. It'll start coming out here or whatever, so don't do that. My caulk gun came with a little thing attached that I would just poke right through. Actually, this one's short. Oh no, it's not. Yeah, so you'll know because you'll get some caulk on here. So then you can load it into your caulk gun. 2 different caulk guns. I have this newer one, and then I have this one here. This is an older one. This is, I think, more common to see. So obviously you put your caulk in here, and you try to line it up so your tip's going to be comfortable for you to kind of like smoothly move. Make sure it's not pointed in a weird direction. So you put this all the way in here. And of course the tip rests over here. This piece right here can move back and forth, and you don't want it all the way up. So you're gonna have some sort of release. And in this case, it's this piece. And this allows you to kind of move it back real quick. This is important because if you don't release it in between while you're trying to wipe things up and stuff, a lot of times caulk will still come out and kind of get wasted. This, same deal. The actual trigger allows you to move it back and forth. My newer gun, this thing is pulled back as far as it can go. I'm gonna pop my caulk gun in there, push this up here, just so it's in the front. And I can go ahead and the flat side to line up with your edge here, and you're just going to go right along and try to go just in one direction. You don't want to be going in 2 different directions here. Okay. Before you move on to the next step, if you leave the pressure on, it's going to keep coming out. So try to release some of the pressure, however it is your thing works there. But just release some of the pressure on it so it doesn't keep leaking out. You just want to smooth it out, you can use your finger or you can use a tool like this Procaulk tool. Okay. And you're going to want to wipe up any if it gets on your tub itself. Make sure you repeat for every side of your tub, making sure there's no gaps where water could leak through to your walls. You need to wipe off your tools and let this sit for about 24 hours or whatever your tube indicates. My particular caulk says 24 hours, but some may take longer. You don't want to get it wet before then.